This homeschool math craft will have your child thinking outside the box in a way that will reshape our future to circular construction. First, you'll need to find you a basketball. Then find you some of this thin line tape. I don't know where this came from. It was given to me. Get some scissors, and finally, a calculator. Actually, get a ruler too. If you can find a really bendy ruler, that will definitely be easier. We're going to be wrapping 3 circumferences of the ball. I went ahead and wrapped the 90-degree portion, which is the biggest circle on the ball, which it runs through the center all the way around. And then we're going to wrap the 60-degree portion and the 30-degree portion of the ball. Now, to find the 60-degree portion of the ball, use the insert where you put the needle in to air it up as a side point, a starting side point. It is directly on the side of the basketball. And then you can measure to the very top of the basketball, which is 1/4 of the total circumference. But 60 degrees will be 2/3 of this measurement. This is what mine turned out. It's not going to be absolutely perfect, but it'll be close enough to get the understanding we need. And then for the 30-degree portion, which is 1/3 from the top of the ball all the way around, we're going to use the half circumference length. So I'm just going to wrap and get the half circumference because that is the size of the circle at 30 degrees on the ball. So this is our 30-degree spot right here, and the circle that is right here on the ball, this circumference is equal to half of the big circumference. So if you take your main circle, the biggest part of the circle, and take your half circumference, that length will equal this length up here. So you want to explain to your child that a flat circle is just looking at the inside diameters of the ball at those degree points. Thus, the ball and the triangle were created with the same scale, and we took the circumferences at 90 degrees, 60 degrees, and 30 degrees, and that will produce a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We could have done that with any 3 degrees we like to that added up to 180 degrees. And here's the end result. It creates a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And that's why true pi fits this formula. 1.8 squared plus pi squared equals 3.